laptop?
No, it's not laptop, it's my mirror. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's vlog. So today is Saturday. Me and I are getting ready to step out of the house. Yes, today is a mommy and daughter bonding day. Let me show you guys what she's looking like. Can I see your face, please? Yeah, face me, let me see you. Come on. Come on. So today we have a Moms That Brunch hangout thing. It's like a bath bomb making class. You guys know bath bombs, so we will be making bath bombs today, and we were told to come with the kids as well so that they can also participate and all of that. So that's where me and I are going this morning. It's barely even 12 noon, it's like 11:30 or so. Yeah, we're going. I promise you that we're going together. I just took a shower, but I just want to lay my edges. I'm not wearing makeup because it's too early in the day. It's like what, 11:30 in the morning. I'm not doing that. So I just want to lay my edges and then go. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing amazing. Mommy. The weather in Abuja has cooled down drastically. Seems like our rainy season. Yeah, we're going. We're going. I promised you that we're going out today. The weather in Abuja has drastically changed in terms of the rainy season is here. So the weather is a lot more cool now than before. What? Yes, I'm putting gel, my love. It's my child there. I'm putting gel, baby.
What is that?
That's gel. That's gel, my love. I'm using my got to be glued gel, Mommy, just a little bit. No, that other one is for you. That one doesn't hold my edges down, so I'm using this one. Thank God for the weather that has changed, because the heat in Abuja was becoming unbearable at some point. These dreadlocks, the older the dreadlocks is getting, the finer the dreadlocks is. Like, it's crazy. On my fingers. She's like, hi. Thank you. Thank you, baby. Okay. Are you ready to go, Mama? No, I'm not wearing that one. I don't know where my that's the second ear of that is. I'm just going to put lip balm.
Lip balm, Mommy. That is too pepper.
Yeah, this one is too peppery. I think this one is too pepper because it's minty, so she doesn't like it at all.
Mommy, is it pepper?
It's minty.
Minty.
Should I cook for you?
Pepper.
It's pepper. Okay, I think I'm good to go. Let me show you guys my outfit real quick. Wearing this set I got from Shein. I showed you guys in my last Shein haul.
Moms That Brunch. That is not just today, with activity back to back. Meanwhile, your braids are so pretty. Hair by Tilda. Jakoko in the building. In the building. Again. And Jeffy, our popular jingle. Aww.
Hope you guys are doing good. Today is Sunday. I am at Zudara. It's actually my first time here. I've been hearing about the place and I'm just coming here for the very first time. I'm going to be here with Tengu, Jekoko and some other ladies, just here to have fun and all of that. So let's go in and see what's going on.
See these shoes, you know? Everything is paying, man.
Just give it up. I think I've had enough. I'm too busy loving my friends. I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you again. Cause you haven't got the news. Boy, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be
the only Jekoko in the building. Only Guinea car in the building. Hi. It's only me that's not Rocky McNeese. Yeah, Rocky McNeese. Okay.
girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend. I know you want me. Boy, I can tell. So deep under my spell. Sorry, not sorry that I'm no help. Cause I'm full of myself. Boy, don't you worry. You'll find someone who wants you back. But that is not me. So give it up. Haven't you had enough? I'm too busy loving my friends. I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you.
Hey. Give that. Hey. Yeah. Hey. Give us. Hey. Give us. Hey. Give us.
Hi guys, hope you guys are doing good. So I really had a very good weekend. I can't even lie. You guys saw in today's vlog earlier on Saturday, Mia and I had a kind of mommy and daughter bonding with some other ladies and their kids as well, and it was just really nice making those bath bombs and everything. But for some reason Mia thinks those bath bombs are candy. for some reason. That's just her being very tiny, young and innocent. I completely understand that. So I've had to keep the bath bombs away from her reach right now. But yeah, Saturday was really nice, and Sunday as well was beautiful. Hung out with some ladies, and I haven't had that night out, that kind of night out in a while. It wasn't like an all-night thing, but we were together like till late, maybe like till like 10 p.m. and it just felt really good, you know, just going out with your girls and just having a good night out felt really good, and I didn't realize how much I needed that. Here's to many more girls outings and just forming friendships and having a good time with your fellow ladies. Is very important, trust me, it is very important. Anyway, that's all I have for you guys in today's vlog. Today's vlog was pretty short, I know, but it's for a reason, okay? In my next vlog, I'll be announcing something, or rather I'll be letting you guys know something super duper exciting about to happen. I'm so excited, and I cannot wait to share with you guys in the next vlog, so keep your eyes peeled. I'm not even sure if it's going to go up on Thursday or Friday, I'm not sure, but the next vlog I definitely will be announcing something super exciting about to happen. And yeah guys, that's all I have for you. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.